Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I created this makeup look right here. This look is perfect for all your parties with bold lip and sultry eyes. So if you want to know how I created this look, then watch this video till the end. And if you're watching me for the first time, then hi, I am Parmeet. I make beauty related content on this channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I've already moisturized my skin. Now I'm using a makeup fixer. This step will ensure to make my makeup long lasting. Now I'm using a concealer to hide the darkness under my eyes and some redness on my cheeks. And I'm blending the concealer with my damp beauty blender. I have provided all the product details and the links of the product in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. आपके फेस पे जो भी टारगेटेड एरियाज है लाइक योर हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन, डार्कनेस और एक्ने स्कार्स, विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंसीलर आप उन सभी को अच्छे से हाइड कर सकते हैं एंड योर फेस विल बी रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, दैट इज फाउंडेशन. For foundation today I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 230 Natural Buff. फाउंडेशन को सबसे पहले अपने फेस पे डॉट्स के फॉर्म में अप्लाई कर ले. इससे यू विल गेट टू नो हाउ मच प्रोडक्ट यू एक्चुअली नीडेड. विद द सेम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर आई एम blending my foundation in a dabbing motion. Our base is almost done. Now for the eyes I am using the combination of these two shades and will apply on my crease. I will use windshield wiper motion and little bit of circular motion to blend the eyeshadow in my crease. Always tap off the excess when you are using the eyeshadow. That will prevent patchiness on your eyes. सेम आई शेडो को मैं अपने लोअर लैश लाइन पे भी अप्लाई कर लूँगी ताकि एक कोहेसिव लुक मिले मेरी आईज को. टू गिव मोर डेप्थ आई एम यूजिंग दिस डार्कर ब्राउन शेड एंड आई विल अप्लाई इट ओनली एट द आउटर एजेस. हमेशा डार्कर शेड्स को अपने आउटर एज पे यूज़ कीजिए एंड लाइटर शेड्स को इनर कॉर्नर पे. फॉर लिप्स आई एम फर्स्ट लाइनिंग दैम. And now I am filling the lips with Nykaa lipstick. It's in the shade boho. And I will top it off with another lipstick from Huda Beauty, and this will give me a perfect lip combo that I want for this look. It's always a good option to apply your lipstick first when you are going for the bold lipstick and then with the blush. How gorgeous this lipstick looks. Now I am applying little bit of blush. Don't overdo with your blush as your lips are already the highlight of this makeup look. Now I am coating my lashes with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It's a bomb mascara. Now for that glow, I am using highlighter and applying it with my fingers for the natural finish. And voila, I am all set to attend a party with this super glam makeup on. So this is the final look that I have created today. I hope you all guys find this look beautiful and this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and try to recreate this look and tag me on Instagram. I will meet you next time. Till then, take care of yourself, love yourself, and bye.